Monday.com can be effectively utilized for sales management by organizing leads, tracking deals, and facilitating collaboration among sales teams. Here's how to use Monday.com for sales. Create boards. Start by creating a Monday.com board for sales management. Each board can represent a specific sales pipeline, territory, or team. Customize columns. Customize columns to represent different stages of the sales process, such as lead generation, prospecting, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closed won. Add items. Create items for each lead or deal within the appropriate columns. Include relevant details such as company name, contact information, deal size, and stage of the sales cycle. Assign owners and due dates. Assign ownership of leads or deals to sales representatives and set due dates for follow-up actions. Utilize tags or labels to categorize leads by priority or source. Track progress. Update item statuses as deals progress through the sales pipeline. Utilize color-coded labels or status columns to visually represent deal stages and prioritize follow-up activities. Collaborate and communicate. Encourage collaboration among sales team members by using comments, mentions, and file attachments within item details. Share insights, updates, and best practices to drive collaboration and success. Analyze performance. Utilize dashboards and reporting features to analyze sales performance, track key metrics, and identify trends. Gain insights into conversion rates, win rates, and sales pipeline help to inform strategic decision making. Iterate and improve. Regularly review sales boards with your team to assess performance, identify areas for improvement, and refine sales processes and strategies accordingly.